Okay, so I need a concept of something called a displacement vector. Vector. Displacement vector. So this is going to be, you start at a point. Okay, so here's a point, maybe 1, 2. Okay, over here's another point. This is maybe 4, 3. What's the push that it takes to get from 1, 2 to 4, 3?
3, 1.
Like here's the arrow, right?
1, 3.
And that looks like you went, what'd you do with your arrow? What were you guys saying? 3i plus 1j.
Can you write just j?
Yeah, you really could just write just j,
Oh, okay.
right? It's just a variable. Treat it like it's a variable.
Mm-hmm.
It's not really a variable. It's really a defined quantity, right? It means ups. But yeah, you can just do 1.
Okay.
You guys cool with that? How else could you write this? With pointy brackets?
3, 1.
3, 1. How did you guys get to 3, 1? What did you do? Yeah, you went here and then subtracted those, right?
Mm-hmm.
So please note, displacement vectors, what's the one thing you need to remember about displacement vectors? You took the terminal point, right, this guy, thought about it as a vector. You guys see that? You kind of slapped vector things on this. And then you subtracted the initial point. Thought of it as a vector.
That's just the difference.
Yeah. You just subtracted the components. You guys all good with that? So when I ask you for displacement vectors later, the thing I want you to have in your head for displacement vectors is terminal minus initial. That'll get you pointed in the right direction. You guys see that? And there has to be a end and a beginning. If I just give you 2 points and ask for the displacement vector, you should ask which one is the end. You guys see that? So I said, right, starting here, going there. If we had said starting here, going there, we would have gotten a different answer. You guys want to do that one?
Oh, yeah.
Sure.
Maybe negative?
So let's find the displacement between we really should say not between, but from. Which one were we going to start with?
Yeah.
4, 3 to 1, 2. Okay, so how do you manage this? Subtract them.
Yes.
Okay, so you get a vector, right?
So
Your vector should have what in the first coordinate?
negative 3.
1 minus 4, negative 3. And in the y?
Negative 1.
No, 2 minus 3. So I get negative 3, comma, negative 1. What's special about that in relationship to the one I got before?
It's just going down.
Yeah, it's just got a negative sign on it, right? Why does that make sense in arrow land? Yeah, it's the same thing, but backwards, right?
Are the letters different?
But the letter's different. What do you mean? The
You
I's
said
and
that's
J's?
up, and that's...
Yeah, so I's are up, J's are, sorry, I's are over, J's are up.
Mm-hmm.
So how would I write this one in I's and J's?
Negative 3i.
Oh, it's just...
Negative 3 I's minus J, or minus 1 J.
I would say I is horizontal and j is vertical. Both ways, just one to get a blue.
Yeah, but it comes with that sign. So I's are always moving in the positive X direction, and J's are always moving in the positive Y direction. It's cool with that? So these are anti-rights, which are
Oh,
lefts,
okay.
and anti-ups, which are down.
Okay.
You guys cool with that? All right.